All right, let's make the best roast goose you've ever had. Crispy skin, juicy meat, veggies that soak up all that flavor, and a rich gravy to bring it all together. First things first, get your goose out of the fridge about an hour before you start. You want it at room temp so it cooks evenly. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's prep the goose. Pat it dry with paper towels. Really get in there. Dry skin means crispy skin. Grab some salt and pepper and season it all over, inside and out. Want to get fancy? Throw some thyme, rosemary, and a halved orange into the cavity. Trust me, it's worth it. Next, grab your biggest roasting pan. Chop up carrots, onions, and celery. Big chunks, nothing fussy. Scatter them in the pan to make a bed for the goose. These veggies will soak up all the drippings and taste incredible later. Place the goose breast side up on top of the veggies. If you see a lot of fat, don't worry. Goose is rich, but you'll render a lot of that fat out as it cooks. Score the skin lightly with a sharp knife, but don't cut into the meat. This helps the fat escape and the skin crisp up. Slide it into the oven uncovered. Every 45 minutes or so, baste the goose with its own juices. If there's too much fat in the pan, ladle some out and save it. Goose fat is liquid gold for roasting potatoes later. Roast for about 2.5 to 3 hours, depending on the size of your bird. When a thermometer in the thickest part of the thigh hits 165 degrees, you're good. Let it rest for at least 20 minutes before carving. While it's resting, let's talk gravy. Skim off most of the fat from your roasting pan, leaving the veggies and brown bits. Put the pan on the stove, sprinkle in a couple tablespoons of flour, and stir it into the drippings. Slowly whisk in some chicken stock until you get a smooth, glossy gravy. Slowly whisk in some chicken stock until you get a smooth, glossy gravy. Taste and season. Carve up your goose, pile on those roasted veggies, and drizzle with gravy. There you go, the perfect roast goose made simple. Give it a try and let me know how it turns out.